Bring back one of these artists, but one of these artists will die. Get $1 million. But the first person that pops up when you click share, then more won't remember you. Sleep with anyone, but anyone can sleep with you. Get a Marvel weapon, but your battery percent determines what weapon you get. You get to go to Hogwarts, but you're assigned to Slytherin House. Become a billionaire, but you can never listen to music again. Your current or future pet lives as long as you, but it's able to speak the human language.